Hello everyone, welcome to the presentation of new features of TRB V3488. First, let's have an overall look at this version. We completed the transformation to ribbon style, and some enhancements for business requirements. The keywords of this version is concise, easy to use and professional. Next, I will introduce them separately. The is the ribbon style interface of TRB. For old users, you may need to take some time to adapt to it. Please allow me to briefly present you the new ribbon, and you will find out why we adopted the ribbon style. Ribbon is a popular software style today. Like the redesign of Office from 2003 to 2007, according to statistics, the overall operating efficiency on the new style interface is improved by 13%, compared with that on the old style interface. The display rate of functions is 42.5% in the old version, while in the new version, nearly 100% of TRB functions can be displayed. It is much easier to find and use functions. Besides, DASC adopts the ribbon style. These two applications need to be consistent in terms of interface. Next, let's have a direct comparison between the old interface and the new interface. On the left is the old interface, and on the right is the new one. It looks that the new interface is more concise. From the perspective of modules, the old version is divided into 4 modules: project settings, drawing input, single element and report. In the new version, the modules are redesigned to be modeling, single element, BQ and report. The project settings is incorporated into modeling, and BQ is extracted as an independent module, which makes more sense in terms of business. From the perspective of elements, the old version contains 2 sets of elements, element and identify element, which is difficult to distinguish. In the new version, only 1 set of elements is kept. You can switch between identify and draw tabs to perform previous operations. From the perspective of function areas, many functions are hidden in the old version, or you can only view them by clicking drop-down menus. In the new version, the unnecessary functions are removed, and the commands are grouped and classified, based on actual scenarios. The interface is more concise, and it is easier to find and use the functions. In addition, TRB provides quick access toolbar. Locate favorite functions here, to make operations easy and fast. Shortcut icon. Add define, element list and attribute editor icons, to help us adjust the windows rapidly. Dynamic toolbar, more intelligent and easier to use 3D dynamic panel. Single element: the new module design, makes the 2D quantity takeoff more intuitive and concise. BQ, the independent BQ module, makes the quantity takeoff structure more clear. Report, new interface. In addition to a series of adjustments on interfaces and functions, enhancements on ease of use and business have also been made in the new version. For example, project settings and draw are 2 separate modules in the old version. You need to switch interfaces constantly, which is not convenient in use. In the new version, project settings is completely moved into modeling, and designed to be a non-modal window. You can perform operations on models and calculation rules simultaneously, which is more flexible and convenient. In the old version, to create a project, you need 5 steps. With the new version, only 1 step, easy and rapid. In the old version, all identify-related functions are expanded in the interface, difficult to use, and easy to cause confusions. In the new version, we merged the identification functions. All operations are located under identification. In the old version, when editing column sections, you need to switch between yes and no, which is difficult to use and confusing. In the new version, we eliminated the operation for switching between yes and no, and set all as yes by default. In the old version, the schedules are not uniform in terms of location, verification and format. In the new version, we split the Identify Excel, CAD element schedules, to different schedules by element, and the schedules for the same elements are consistent in format. In the old version, View Linear Entity Length and View Arc Entity Info are two separate functions. In the new version, we merged them to view entity length. After clicking the button, if you click Linear Entities, the length info will be shown. If you click Arc Entities, the length, angle, chord length and arc info will be shown. In the old version, they are complementary arrangement methods, but as independent functions, they are difficult to use. In the new version, we merged them to existing drawing methods. Select the checkbox as needed. After click point or line, you can select the rotation point, or point/angle/length checkbox as needed. In the old version, there are many arrangement methods for slab rebar, and they can be combined in different ways, which is not easy to use. In the new version, except draw a line to arrange, parametric, auto-reinforcing, all functions related to arrangement methods are located under Arrange main bar, and displayed in the toolbar, below the ribbon. That's all for the new features of TRB V3488. Thanks.